All right, so here's a quick one on how we're going to make the add-on stripe and how we're going to install it. So pretty straightforward. We're going with an 1/8 inch face. No need to do quarter. This just needs to sit there. So you've got your returns. Got your returns out of '09. The returns are 4 1/8, not 4. That way it'll match up with the 4 1/4 that's out in the field. 4 inch plus 1/4 inch face. I got a top and a bottom. I went ahead and put 1 inch extra for the ends. You can go ahead and just square it off and chop it. You'll have a little bend scribe. That'll be for this little baby bend right here. There's a little baby bend there. That's where it kind of comes in and meets the round. So I suggest what you want to do is start with the top one and start from this side and work your way. Just get the return, forget the point. Get the return lined up with the bottom here, and then go ahead and start your way through the top. And then you're going to go ahead and do that little tiny baby bend right there. Right there, the little bend right there. And then kind of line that up and get this in here and go ahead and weld this good and nice and strong, and then go ahead and take this all the way out. And then again, you're going to have a 1 inch long and 1 inch long. I'd go ahead and get those squared off and cut. And then this piece here, you're going to have 5/16 riv nuts, steel, that are going to go in. This is equal, so it's symmetrical, so you can do it either way. But go ahead and scribe back. It doesn't have to be exact, but do about a 1/16 back. So push this in, and that way the riv nuts won't bottom out against the return when they bolt it on, and just gives a little bit of margin for error. It's fine. But again, you want to go ahead and bead these up real good. Give these a good burn right there. So once that's in there, you've got your riv nuts obviously facing in. Um, the squishes on the inside. That's going to go in here, and then there's going to be, keep an eye out for this drill template. So make sure install gets this. Install, look out for this if you're watching this. So essentially what you're going to do is take this little jig here, and I made a notch right here, so that way it'll clearance the face. So from here to here is 4 1/4. So this is the overall dimension of what's out there, 1/4 inch face plus 4 inch return. And because the router bit is going to have rounded off this on the face because it's 1/4 inch, I went ahead and notched that. So this should go ahead and slide up into the corner, which the '09 is going to be sharp because it's going to be welded to itself. So theoretically, you take this, tuck it up in there where this line is right there, and that will give you where you want to drill these 2 holes through. So burn those, drill those through. I got 5/16 hardware on that because we're going to do 5/16 riv nuts. And then that should allow you to get back up in there and go ahead and bolt that on. And then, like I said in the other video, you're just going to let that sit, and then you can try to clamp this down and try to shoot some screws, or I think Jonathan suggested possibly doing some lords or something, and just getting that to line up the way you like it. But again, you'll have your through bolts here, and then just shooting a hole through here and trying to get your wire and get your connection for your electrical there. So anyway, so it's pretty straightforward. Again, just start there, work your way over. Should all work out. So if you have any questions, hit me up.